Hey guys, so we just came to the condo. It is a little after 9 o'clock, but my mom wanted to come straight here. She just got here, she just got in town, so I'm gonna show you guys around real quick. This will be a empty condo tour, so let's get started. So when you come in, the first thing you see is this closet. So you come in from the front door, there'll be a closet here, and that closes up. So that's my mom. So this is the living space. This is where my TV will go. Have my sofa here, and a chair here. Still need to get some blinds for this this window, but there's blinds on the rest of them. So when you turn around, you'll see there's a hall straight back there, and I'll take you guys back there in a minute. But behind the living area is the dining area. So the dining area I won't be putting a table here or anything. Just like a bar and my bar stools that lead into the kitchen. This is a patio out here, cute little deck. So that's enough space for me. And then this area looks into the kitchen. So I'll take you guys around in there. So this is the kitchen, it's a galley kitchen. Here, black appliances. Really simple, a lot of counter space. And the cabinets are these light wood cabinets, which I don't mind now. I just realized they left me this kitchen mat. It's like some wine racks built in here, wine glass racks. So the cabinets are nice, built in microwave, oven, refrigerator. There's an ice maker, thank goodness. And this closet I thought was a pantry at first, but that's where the water heater and stuff is. And then here is where the washer and dryer will go. I'll be replacing that. And this closet also leads to the water heater. So this is the hallway that leads to the bedrooms and the bathroom. And here's the lighting. I'll be changing the lighting out eventually. But we can go into the guest bedroom first. So it's an okay size. There's a full closet right here. It's like the whole wall long. And so yeah, just be putting a bed in here, a nightstand, TV on this wall, and that's it. And there is the bathroom, which is blue. It needs a new paint color, lighting, all that. And we need to scrub this tub because the tub, I'm not even gonna do that to y'all and show you, but we need to scrub it. But yeah, and I eventually want to change these floors, but they're fine for now. And now we'll go into the master, which is my bedroom. It's a little dim in here. So this is the master bedroom. They left the blinds in here. I won't be putting much in here, just my bed, 2 nightstands, and my TV. I may add a chair, so yeah, then there's a full closet here, mirrored closets everywhere. But I'll think of something for that. So yeah, and leads back out to the living space. These are my parents. So yeah, that is my empty condo tour. I hope you guys like it. Guys, there's a lot that I need to do in here to make it my own, to make it my style, but I'm excited to get started with it. It's not a huge fancy place, but I think it's right for me, and I'm happy to have a place that I own. So thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys. I got the keys, y'all. Man, I can't believe I just did that.